Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another FabFitFun video. I am a FabFitFun partner, so today I will be unboxing the Winter 2018 box. If this is your first time seeing a FabFitFun video and you are unfamiliar with the brand, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box service, which is one of the reasons why it is my favorite. You can actually customize what's in your box now, so I will be showing you obviously what's in mine, but it comes 4 times a year. So you get a summer, spring, winter, fall. That was a really weird order. But basically you get one every single season. They do retail for $49.99, but if you have not got one before, you can actually use my code BRIT10, which I will have on the screen as well as in the description box below, and you can get $10 off your first box. Each of the boxes do have over a $200 value, so you get amazing products every single season. They are all full size as well, so you're not getting a ton of just sample size products that sometimes you probably won't even use. And you get a really good variety of products inside the boxes as well, like beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and wellness. So you get to try out a ton of things from different brands that are amazing. They also partner with different organizations every single season. So this season they're actually in support of the Kindness Factory, and they promote and encourage acts of kindness in the community. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. I see some things that I'm really excited about already. Each of the boxes come with a magazine, and it will talk about the organization that they're partnering with, and it'll also describe a little bit about the products inside and how much they're worth. If you are a member, you also get access to things like flash sales, but also these really cool videos. So it lists a bunch of different videos that they have for this season. So there's cooking videos about the products, as well as a bunch of fitness ones that you can do at home. First thing I see inside is for HelloFresh, which I really want to try. They bring like fresh produce and things to your door, so you can actually make your meals and not have to go grocery shopping, and it has everything that you would need. So there is a $60 gift card, so 20% or $20 off your first 3 deliveries. There's also a gift card for $10 off your first FabFitFun box, which I already gave you guys a code if you are interested in trying it out. So the first thing that I actually saw in here is a jade roller, and I was this close to buying one very recently. So this is from a brand called Sherry Matthews Acupuncture. It is obviously a jade stone roller. It says it's an anti-aging beauty tool that has been used by empresses for centuries. The jade roller helps stimulate key energy and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation, and this retails for $45. I honestly can't even tell you how long I've been wanting one of these things. This is so awesome. Bite is one of my favorite brands for lipsticks. I'm actually wearing one of their lip liners right now. So this is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue. It's a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear, and it retails for $26. Okay, this shade is perfect. That is a really beautiful color. I actually don't even think I have a color like this, and I have a few of these lipsticks and I don't have this one. Next in here is a hydration cream mask from Ahava. This is a face mask that you leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, or you can leave it on all night. It says it's enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort, and it retails for $33. I really like using overnight masks because, especially in the winter, my skin is super dry. It doesn't have much of a smell either, which is nice, especially if I was gonna leave it on overnight, but it is super creamy and luxurious feeling, so I could see this working really well. Here we have 2 essential oils. They look like they are from the brand Elevate. These are in the scent Sweet Orange and Eucalyptus oil. It says, unlike typical essential oils, these oils can be applied directly onto the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, while Sweet Orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. They retail for $31. Oh, that smells really good. And they are also 100% natural. So no synthetic ingredients, no artificial coloring, no animal testing. And it says with fractionated coconut and jojoba oil. This is a Thrive Cosmetics, and it says cosmetic like a cause. which is kind of cool. I'm excited to see what that means. This is a Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick in the shade Stella, and this is infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil. This silky champagne eye brightener instantly brightens and highlights your eyes. Ooh, that's really creamy. Really pretty shade too. That would also look really pretty as an all-over lid shade color, but I'm sure you could highlight other parts of your face with this too, but it's so soft. On the packaging, it says every product you purchase, we donate one to a woman in need. Next, we have this set of eye masks. This is from a brand called Black. These are hydrogel eye masks with hyaluronic acid. It says, is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look, and it does retail for $29, which is actually not a bad deal at all, especially since there's 5 in here. These are also certified cruelty-free on the bottom here, which I really like to see. And here is what they actually look like. These are so perfect for traveling, or if you just need to help depuff your eyes in the morning before you do makeup, but I love taking these on trips. And hyaluronic acid plumps your skin as well, so I am really excited to see how these work. I will definitely be using these soon. I have a Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Moroccan Oil Mask. It's a treatment mask for dry and damaged hair. It seals split ends, strengthens hair, and makes your tresses more manageable with this fortifying blend of argan oil and keratin components, and it retails for $49. Says you can leave this on after shampooing for 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse. It also says it is sulfate free and it's made with pure Moroccan oil. So this right here is from H. Halston. It says it's a jewelry portfolio. So you keep your jewelry tangle free. This large zip around portfolio has 3 organizational sections to fit rings, bracelets, necklaces, and more, and it retails for $48. Oh, this is awesome. Inside it has this like wall of snaps, and you can basically just like loop your necklaces or bracelets through here so that they don't get tangled. I always hate traveling with jewelry because I never have a really good way to actually like travel with it. So this is gonna be really useful. And it also has this side over here, which has the little holes for putting earrings in, and it also snaps closed, so everything seems like it'll be really secure. It also has this little zip pouch on the inside, so you could put other things in there too. I really like this. The very last thing I have in the 2018 Winter FabFitFun box is this throw. It's from Mark & Graham. It's a color block throw, and I have mine in natural/ivory. These retail for $49, and it also says that they believe in the art of gift giving and all the details, which is why we offer hundreds of different monogramming options, and each gift arrives beautifully presented in our complimentary gift wrap. It seems like you can customize these with like writing, so that would be a really nice gift if you check them out, maybe for Christmas or something. Ooh. This is bigger than I thought it would be. It has a like stripe detail all the way through it. I'm not gonna be able to show you this whole thing because it is very big, but this would be really nice just to kind of have like sitting on your couch or something. And if you did go to them and get it monogrammed, that would be such a nice gift for Christmas. It is really soft too. And that is everything that I got in my Winter 2018 FabFitFun box. I hope you guys liked it. This is definitely one of my favorite boxes I've ever got, so I'm super excited to see what the next season's box has. Also, let me know if you are subscribed to FabFitFun in the comment section below, and what your favorite thing was from this video in the Winter 2018 box. I think my favorite thing might actually be the Bite lipstick because I love their lipstick so much, but I'm also really excited about that jade roller and that jewelry portfolio. Actually, that's gonna be really handy for traveling. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to FabFitFun for working with me. I really love this box. Everything is so nice, and I can't wait to start using it all. So definitely check them out if you haven't. I will have the link in the description box below to their website as well as my discount code. And I hope you are all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.